Croeso I TeenTech. We are in Wales for the last TeenTech Festival of 2023. And goodness me, are we going out with a bang. Come and have a look at all of the activities we've got lined up for over 300 young people from across the Cardiff region.
Our activity today is a BSL model which uses machine learning to recognise sign language alphabet.
It's amazing to see how enthusiastic and involved all the kids are.
The pupils today are doing a Caesar cipher, so they're deciphering some codes, and it will create a 3-digit number which they can then use to open the locks on the lock boxes.
Seeing the young people smiling, learning new skills is absolutely fantastic. I'm incredibly impressed. What a great experience for the children and for us actually coming along, dipping in and out of all the different forums. It's fantastic. We'll be here next year.
I think it's a really fruitful day. We've got loads of students coming to our store learning about generative AI.
It's been really great to see the kids' imagination and how engaged they've been when we've talked about technology.
What an amazing day. Myself and the children have had such an experience for them and so well organised. Thank you very much.
Playing a digital game, which being a lady of a certain age I'm not versed in, and absolutely thoroughly enjoying it, getting into it with the children and basically squealing the place down. Thoroughly loved it.
I think that TeenTech has been an absolutely brilliant experience for the kids. They've got to take on and experience a lot of things that they wouldn't normally get to experience. It's a good kind of pathway into maybe them thinking about what careers they want to do, and really nice for them to get hands-on with things like technology and science that they might not normally be able to do in school.
It's been very good. I enjoyed the boat making.
I've enjoyed doing the sign language.
I really enjoyed the army challenges when we had to build a tower.
To be honest, I actually quite enjoyed today. I feel like it was very interactive. I enjoyed all of the activities. I feel like it was very nice to have an opportunity to meet, all of the companies.
Today has been absolutely incredible. It's been amazing to see so many kids running around and just really looking so inspired and so enthusiastic about all of the things that they're seeing. And the teachers too are clearly having a fantastic day. I found this pinned to a wall and I just wanted to read it to you. It says, to give all kids a chance at using electronic devices, get all children food and water and a roof over their heads, and give everyone a chance to go to TeenTech. That's from a Year 6 student in Birch Grove Primary, and I just love that so much. It's really what TeenTech is all about, is improving the world and making sure that everybody gets an opportunity.